divide 587 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 8 and it is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting, we get 0. So again we put down this 7 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 587 divided by 2 is 293.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.